In this video, we'll explain why a website is more than just an online presence.
Hi everyone, this is Yan at Mindful Digital, and I'm here to talk about websites. What makes a good website? Well, for me, a website is good if one, it is user-friendly, meaning you can navigate your way around the website. And these days, attention span of most people are about 3 to 5 seconds. So it's really important that when they look at your website, once they load your website on their browser, everything loads smoothly and you can navigate your way around the first page. Second is it's optimized well for both mobile and desktop devices. As you know, load times vary from a mobile phone and from a computer. So make sure that your website is tested for both screens. And it's also good to test it against different kind of browsers. Also, you want to make sure that your website has all the updated content. That is, you're not leaving it like a post note where the last update done was years ago. So make sure you have updated valuable content on your website, because hey, gone are the days that websites are just used to be a business card. So these days, it is where people go to find what's the latest promo, what's your latest offering, or what's the newest product that you're about to launch. Also, make sure that you have a very nice call to action on your website. Meaning to say, once they've gone through all your content, or once they see your headline on the homepage, what action do you want people to do? So usually there's a button to either learn more about your product or services, or book a call with you, or if it's a shopping site, then there should be a clear button where people can add to cart and purchase the product. So these are some of the things that makes a website good. Apart from that, you have the technical side of things where you want to make sure the domain name or www domain name or the name of your business is easy to remember, easy to spell out, and easy to type. So usually if your business name is like a laundry shop, so it could be yanslaundry.com, and avoid putting in dashes or any irregular text on that name. As long as it's available, make sure that when you say the domain name or the website name of your business, people can easily type it and also easily remember it. Also, take note that if you are hosting a website from a third-party vendor, make sure that that vendor has credibility, has a track record of making sure that their sites is always up. Usually the uptime is about 99.95%. So usually hosting platforms don't necessarily bug down. In rare cases, I've had some experiences in the past where servers went down, but this is really a rare case, like once a year. So just take note of that if you choose to host your site on a third-party platform. And another thing is make sure that your website is optimized for search engines and also for social platforms, meaning all the back-end stuff that needs to be addressed for you to be able to be crawled by search engines and by social media platforms. Make sure all of those things are sorted out. If you want, you can ask help from service providers who does SEO and run an audit for the whole website before it goes live. Yeah, I think those are the most important things that makes a website good. And just make sure that all of your goals that you've envisioned for the website is uploaded on it. The design is aligned with your whole brand. The look and feel is aligned with everything that you have across the board, from your social platforms to your business card to your letterheads. It all should look the same on your website. And again, just make it a fun experience for people to get to know your business more and for them to know you personally as the business owner. So whether it's just starting a business or you want to grow your business online from a brick and mortar one, just make sure you have fun and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the experience of building it and continuously tweak as you go along, because you'll never know what the customers would like, what the online visitors would want to have once you've really gone live with the website. So just take your time, start with the basics, make sure you have quality content, make sure you have all the latest images and videos that you want to be included in the website, and just have a go at it.